got pain from my waist up, and I wake up and I take drugs and I say stuff that I make up. Like I hate love and I hate that I can't lie. Couldn't hate you if I tried. It'll suck for a weekend, hurt more on the weekend. When I go out, see your friends and I don't know what to tell them. I can't lie. Couldn't hate you if I tried. I'm coming around to see ya, coming around to leave ya. What is the point of hoping when it's already broken? It hurts to let you go, it's worse to hold on. But I know that I'll be better when you're gone. Said I know that I'll be better when you're gone. You don't even try. I'm coming around to see ya.